The Chinese city of Wuhan has become the epicenter of the deadly coronavirus spreading across many countries. As per reports, there are nearly 14,000 confirmed cases in China and over 300 people are dead due to the virus. The Chinese government swung into action with an ambitious plan to build 2 hospitals which will have a capacity of over 800 and 1200 beds respectively. Engineers have been flown in from across the country to build the hospitals over an area of 25,000 square meters. China is no stranger when it comes to building structures in record time. In 2003, China built a hospital in Beijing in 7 days, which is also one of the fastest in the world. During the SARS outbreak, around 4,000 people worked 24/7 to build a hospital within 2 months. The hospital was treating 1/7 of the patients in the country suffering from severe acute respiratory syndrome or SARS, which had infected nearly 8,000 people and 800 deaths were reported due to the disease. These hospitals in Wuhan will have basic facilities like isolation rooms, clinical lab, pharmacy, and some assessment and imaging capabilities in running condition a few days later. A TOI online report.
Doctors in Thailand say that the combination of flu and HIV can be successfully achieved in the treatment of coronavirus infected people. And this drug has yielded very encouraging results after 48 hours. One of the problems with the pain in Wuhan province, China, was that a new method could be used to treat a coronary virus patient with a woman. This will produce better results. Patients who are prescribed medications that feed a strong dose of ice and nasal herbal medicines improve their condition for 48 hours. The hospital's lung specialist said that patients who were diagnosed with the coronavirus 10 days before the test did not receive the coronavirus in their test 48 hours after receiving the medication. He said the procedure appears to be falling, but more research needs to be done before it can be certified as a coronavirus. Health authorities in China are combining HIV and coronavirus drugs. Thai doctors say the use of these drugs is improving the condition of patients. Another doctor said that giving these medicines to 2 of his patients, one had a negative reaction to the drug, while the other had relapse. Thailand's Medical Services Department Director General Skachlam said they were using the internationally known method. But doctors increased the dose of the nozzle drug, which yielded positive results. 9 patients with coronavirus were detected in the Highland. 8 of them have gone home to recover, while 11 are still under treatment. Dr. Romsk said, a team of specialists will examine the 17-year-old patient on Monday, but it would be premature to declare the new procedure as a certified coronavirus. He said that initially they were only using this medicine for people who were seriously ill.